Good morning, respected teachers and guest faculty. We welcome you together in my school. Myself Shruti, student of 10th class. I want to represent myself with some important lines of environment poem. My topic is Nature is everywhere. Nature is everywhere you go. Everything that lives or grow is nature. Animals, big and small. Nature is plants that grow so tall. Nature is beautiful in every way, wonderful, exciting, and needs our care. So, listen, learn, and do your part to keep nature beautiful forever. Thank you.
Good morning, all present here. I am Kashish of Plus 2. Today I am standing here to express my views on the topic environment. Our environment consists of all living beings as well as their surrounding. A healthy environment is one that is substance for a long period of time. It is a source of life for everyone. It directs the life of everyone and determines the proper growth and development. The good or bad quality of our life in depending on the quality of our natural environment. Our need for food, water, shelter, and other things depends on the environment around us. There must be a balanced nature cycle that exists between the environment and the lives of human beings, plants, and animals. Human society is playing a vital role in the nature environment which is affecting badly and lives on this planet. All the human action in this modern world directly impact our ecosystem. Many action of us have brought big changes to this planet, resulting in many environmental problems. Increasing demand for technologies and industries is another important factor. Thank you and have a nice day.
This is Priya of class 12. Today I am present here on the occasion of Environment Day to present a poem in front of you. Saving Earth is our duty. It's make our life pretty. City and towns now filled with pollution, find and fix its earlier solution. Let not pollute water and air and not throw garbage here and there. Our true friends are trees, more plants to increase. Environments need full of air which always remain clean and clear. Thank you and have a nice day.
मेरा नाम राधा है। मैं 9th क्लास में आप सबके सामने पर्यावरण के बारे में एक कविता प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। आओ हम यह कसम खाए, पर्यावरण को नष्ट होने से बचाए। संदेश यह हम सब तक पहुँचाए। आओ हम पर्यावरण बचाए, ज्यादा से ज्यादा पेड़ लगाए, पानी की हर एक बूंद बचाए। यह बात हम सबको समझाए। आओ हम पर्यावरण बचाए। हम और वृक्ष ना काटने पाए, प्रदूषण और ना बनाने पाए। हम सब अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभाएं। आओ हम विचार करें। थैंक यू।
I am Jia, student of class 10th. I want to represent a poem on Environment Day. पर्यावरण जागरूकता फैलाते चलो, लोगों को पेड़ों के लिए मनाते चलो। कोई तो मिल जाएगा इनका हमदर्द, अपने इरादों को मजबूत बनाते चलो। Thank you.
My friends, I am Khushi of 11th class. Today I am here to give a speech on World Environment Day. And I am thankful to you all for giving me this opportunity. Let's start. World Environment Day is the UN's most important day for encourage worldwide awareness and action for the protection of our environment. Since it began in 1974, it has grown to become a global platform for public outreach that is widely celebrated in over 100 countries. Environment plays an important role in healthy living and the existence of the life on Earth. Earth is a home for different species and we all are dependent on the environment for food, water, air and other needs. Therefore, it is very important for every individual to shape and protect our environment. Air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution are three major forms of environment pollution. This pollution has adverse impact of humans, plants, animals. My dear friends, we can make our earth a better place to live by taking simple steps like planting trees, saving trees, and plastic usage by saving all natural resources. Rather than complaining about pollution, small steps must be taken to make our environment sustainable. Thank you.
Class. Today I am here to give a poem on World Environment Day, and I am thankful to all for giving this opportunity. Let's start. Do not pollute water and air. Don't throw garbage here and there. Do not cut trees. Never and ever such a solution. Stop pollution. Say no to plastic. Protest plastic. Plant more trees everywhere. Let us go green to get our globe green. Save paper, save trees, save environment.
My name is Tanu and study in 10th class. Today I will share a poem with you all. I hope you will like it. पर्यावरण. इंसान की सारी माया पर्यावरण पर संकट लाया, देश को विकसित बनाया, पर्यावरण को खूब सताया. पेड़ पौधे सब नष्ट हो गए, पेड़ काट इंसान मस्त हो गए, अपने स्वार्थ को दिया बढ़ावा, पर्यावरण को खूब सताया. पंछी सारे लुप्त हो गए, इंसान सारे सुस्त हो गए, इमारतें तो बहुत बनाया, पर्यावरण को खूब सताया. प्रदूषण को इतना बढ़ाया, पर्यावरण प्रदूषण की चपेट में आया, पर्यावरण पर इंसानों को फिर भी समझ न आया, पर्यावरण को खूब सताया. पर्यावरण की दुहाई सुन लो पेड़ काटने वाले कसाई, पेड़ लगाओ देश बचाओ, पर्यावरण को स्वच्छ बनाओ. थैंक यू.
क्लास में पढ़ता हूँ, तो आज मैं पोयम बोलना प्रस्तुत करना चाहता हूँ. पर सबको सदा जगाता है, शाम हुई लहरी फैलकर अपने घर को जाता है. दिन भर खुद को की अलग जला जलाकर यह प्रकाश फैलाता है. उनका जीना ही जीना है, जो काम सभी के आता है, जो काम सभी के आता है. थैंक यू.
Greeting to everyone present here. My name is Keshav. Today we all at the occasion of World Environment Day. Before starting my speech, I want to thank you all for your precious presence. It is very true to say that environment is no one's property. To destroy it's everyone's responsibility to protect. World Environment Day came into existing in year 1973 by the United Nations Environment Program. The day is observed on the 5th of June every year to spread awareness about environmental protections and conservations. But why? Because environment conditions are regarding rapidly day by day, and the main reason behind this is human activities. These people take leave from their work and take part in many campaigns. Apart from the children and adult, plant saplings and take a pledge not to harm the environment. It is a wonderful annual occasion focusing on the issues of the environment and attempting to solve them. It is celebrated with lots of creative activities and distinct themes every year. This year our environment theme is only one earth. So what can we do as an individual? The question is simple to answer. Environmental degradation is result of human activities. We must understand the reason, prevent the practices the harm the environment, and we must start to bring some practices into actions that help in environmental improvement. Like we can plant trees to balance the amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Avoiding plastic use can be great way. With this I would like to end my speech, hoping that you all were able to understand my views and will adopt a zero tolerance attitude towards environmental damage. Thank you.
देखो पेड़ कितनी निराली अम्बाले हैं, कुछ छोटे कुछ ही विशाल झील हैं. देखते अनुमान में बात जीवन से अपने सीखते प्रकार, मीठे फल सुगंधी फूल परमाणु से रखते वर्तमान में अंकुल. क्योंकि इन भरमार इनके सीखो जीन का व्यवहार. जुर्मूठ पर इनके वीडियो के रन बसेरे छाया में इनके सुकून पाते जीवन जंतु बेदोरे बतेरी को सासा कर वृष्टि कराते जू जड़ों से मृता धन को रोक पाते। धरती माँ रही पुकार अब और ना मेरो प्रवास उजाड़ बोनो मेरे सक्शन में बगीदार सुख सुधी करो अंगीकार इससे पहले कि सब कुछ ही बिगड़ जाए चलो मिलजुल कर कुछ पेड़ लगाएं। एक तुम लगाओ एक हम लगाएंगे पेड़ इस धारा को मान बनाएंगे। धन्यवाद।
आ चुके हैं, ठीक है। सारे बच्चे बहुत अच्छे थे और जजमेंट करना मुश्किल था, ठीक है, लेकिन फिर भी जजमेंट तो हमें करना पड़ता है, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड तो निकालने पड़ते हैं। तो हमने रिजल्ट निकाल लिया है। तो कोई बोलना चाहेगा स्पीच में फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड में से फर्स्ट कौन है? कौन है? स्पीच में हमारे पास 3 बच्चे थे, कशिश, खुशी और केशव। फर्स्ट प्राइज है खुशी का। क्लास 11th खुशी, अभी के लिए आपको बस थोड़ी सी स्वीट्स दी जा रही है, बाद में आपके लिए प्राइज भी होगा, ठीक है। लो रेसिटेशन के लिए एनी गेस थर्ड प्राइज? राधा क्लास 9th, मेनका क्लास 11th, नहीं रुक जाओ अभी। फर्स्ट प्राइज नहीं, तनु क्लास 10th, कौन? अवनी का है, धन्यवाद।